If you are a commerce student studying in class 11th or class 12th or recently passed your class 12th examination in a commerce stream and is really confused about क्या करना चाहिए अब, which course you should take, which professional course you should take or what to do after class 12th, then watch this video till the very end so that you can analyze what is best for you and make an informed decision. Hi everyone, my name is Tanvi Sukhija. I'm your career coach and mentor, helping you accelerate your career by rising above the mediocrity. In this video, I'll be sharing various alternatives available with students who have just qualified their class 12th examination and are from commerce background, various options available with them to choose for their career and what career path they should follow. Before diving deep into the topic, I would want you all to consider these 5 factors before choosing a career path for yourself. Number 1, your career goal. Down the line, after 5 years, after 3 years, after 2 years, what is that thing you would like to take up for yourself? Whether you want to enter into a family business, whether you want to go for a job in the corporate world, whether you want to take up a business, your separate own business, whether you want to enter in the line of entrepreneurship, this is the decision you have to make for yourself so that you can analyze what is that thing you want for yourself and follow the career path which leads to your end career goal. Number 2 thing you have to consider is the area of your interest. You have to always play on your strength. So if you want to study or obtain an understanding of a particular topic, you should always choose a subject which you like to study or you like to analyze and you like to know more about that subject. Various subject options available with you to choose a particular domain is accounting, auditing, finance, taxation, management, economics, business and whatnot, because commerce students have a lot of options with themselves, so you have to decide what is the subject you would want to take up for yourself. You can take this decision basis the subjects you have studied in class 11th, class 12th, or you can talk to your peers or you can talk to your senior and understand what they are doing and analyze this is what you want for yourself or not. You can do your research on Google or various other research platform and analyze that is that the thing you want to do for yourself. Number 3 factor you should consider before taking up a career path is the reputation of the institution. Whether you want to take up a particular course in a particular institute, in a particular university, in a particular college, you should always analyze what is the reputation of that institution. Is it known for providing quality of the studies? Is it known for providing the placement opportunities after you are done with your graduation or post-graduation or any other courses? So you have to analyze what is the reputation of that institution, and you can do this by connecting with the person who are already there in that institution and asking what are their opinions about that particular thing or what is their experiences of obtaining education from that institution, and just connect with many of the people as you can, because it is always better to have an opinion of everyone to make an effective decision. Number 4 factor which you should consider before joining a particular course or before joining a particular institute is the course fees. You have to analyze what is the course fees for undertaking a particular course, because it really matters to know what is the amount you are spending, what is the time you are spending on that particular course, so that you can analyze whether I would want to spend this much on this amount or I would want to do something else and take this much of knowledge on some other course. Number 5 factor you would have to consider is the location of that institution. If that location is near to your hometown or you have to shift to some other places, you have to consider what is the time taking to reach that institution, or you have to study altogether from your home, whether you want to do part-time, full-time. So these are the some factors which you should consider before taking any decision. I have divided this video into 3 different categories for all the alternatives available with the student who have just qualified their class 12th examination from a commerce stream. Coming to our first category, which is the graduation courses available with all the students who have just qualified their class 12th examination from a commerce stream. Number 1 is Bachelor of Commerce, number 2 is Bachelor of Business Administration, number 3 is Bachelor of Management Studies, number 4 is Bachelor of Law, number 5 is Bachelor of Economics, number 6 is Bachelor of Accounting and Finance, and number 7 is Bachelor of Law and Mass Communication. Let us now understand briefly what all these undergraduate courses relates to. Number 1, Bachelor of Commerce, which relates to the subject accounting, finance, taxation, and is a 3 years undergraduate course. Number 2 is Bachelors of Business Administration, which relates to your business and its management and is again a 3 years undergraduate course. Number 3 is Bachelors of Management Studies, which relates to your enhancing or developing your business and managerial skill and increasing your leadership skill, is again a 3 years undergraduate course. Number 4 is Bachelors of Law, which relates to the study of various laws as per the syllabus set by that university or that for that course, and is again a 3 years course. It gives or enhances the scope of you being a lawyer or doing LLP. Number 5 is Bachelors of Economics, in which it involves the study of economics, microeconomics, macroeconomics, statistics, qualitative analysis, and is again a 3 year undergraduate course. Number 6 is Bachelors of Accounting and Finance, is a 4 year undergraduate course so that you can get your expertise in the field of accounting as well as finance. Number 7 is Bachelors of Journalism and Mass Communication. This is for the people who really aspire to be a journalist or want to enter into mass media, mass communication. This is a 3 year undergraduate course for all those people. What all are the professional courses choices available with the student who have just qualified their class 12th examination? Number 1 is Chartered Accountancy, number 2 is Company Secretary, number 3 is Cost and Management Accountant, number 4 is Certified Financial Analyst, and number 5 is Certified Public Accountant. Let us understand all these 5 courses in a very brief manner. Number 1 is Chartered Accountancy course, wherein you can get knowledge in the field of accounting, auditing, finance and taxation, and is a vast course. Duration of this course is 4 years and it can go to any number of years depending upon how you clear that particular exams. If you want to know more about Chartered Accountancy course in India, I am attaching a link in the description box below, which will direct you to a video which I have made earlier on Chartered Accountancy course in India. Number 2 is Company Secretary, which involves handling the affairs of company and its legal and managerial affairs. Number 3 is Cost and Management Accountant, which involves financial management and guidance related to cost, how to utilize the resource, how to cut the resource so as to maintain the effective cost of the company. And number 4 is Certified Financial Analyst, which will allocate the resources based on the finances available in the company. So it basically involves an expertise in the field of finance. And the last is Certified Public Accountant. It is a global recognition of you as a chartered accountancy in a brief. It means if you are doing CA in India, you will only be recognized as a CA in the India. However, if you do CPA, you will be recognized as a chartered accountant worldwide. CPA is basically a US degree. Coming to the third category, which is diploma courses. Diploma courses are not much famous among the student because the popularity is not that of great sort amongst the student of class 12. I'm listing down a few of the diploma courses available with you to pursue once you clear your class 12th examination. Diploma courses are basically the substitute of your graduation or the short courses which you can pursue as per your interest. One is Diploma in Education. If you want to build your career as a teacher, then you should go for this Diploma in Education. However, if you want to go for a bachelor's degree for your career in teaching, then you can go for Bachelor's in Education, that is B.Ed. Diploma in Journalism and Mass Communication. It is basically a substitute of Bachelor's in Journalism and Mass Communication, and you really aspire to become a journalist and see your career in mass media, mass communication, then you could take up this diploma. There are various other diploma courses available for a commerce student, and you can search out that on Google or any other research platforms and choose a particular decision for yourself. Just one piece of advice I would want you to give it to you all is do your proper research before entering into a particular course or degree or your professional course. Do your proper research and analyze whether it is what you want for yourself or not. Do not blindly follow what others are doing. Do not blindly follow your friends, your peers, your schoolmates, your classmates or any other people. Do not blindly follow them. Just trust what you want to do for yourself. Analyze what are your end career goals. Down the line after 5 years, what do you want to do for yourself, and then make an informed decision. If you have any comments regarding the video or any question, please type down in the comment section below. or reach out to me through LinkedIn. I am attaching the link to my LinkedIn profile in the description box below. Bye bye. All the best.